flight, getting high to the daylight. Daylight, all the time trying to get right, while we trying not to lose sight. Lose sight, wanna stop and go, 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 stop and go. It's kinda hard to face the truth when you make an excuse. Reality weighs more than these weights that I'm pushing. I'm overlooking and seeing things for what it really is. Blind vision impaired seeing the many mistakes, but fuck it, only God can judge me. At times it's ugly, I'm sitting with a pretty face. It ain't a race, but the clock is ticking. My mind is clicking, I'm thinking it ain't time for thinking. Insanity, what is it? Hey yo, doing the same things over and over. One eye in the mirror, one over my shoulder. One day I'm getting lifted, then the next one sober. Hurting myself while expecting all these different results. Had the finger on the trigger, mirror, oh mirror. If I die now, make my next life better. When it's never quit, so why should I give up? The only thing left now is that Beretta. We ain't on the same flight, getting high to the daylight. Daylight, all the time trying to get right, while we trying not to lose sight. Lose sight, wanna stop and go, stop and